What's up, my beautiful people? It's Kenny Good Vibes TV here with another video. This video, I want to make some chicken fried rice. I would like you guys to join me for the video as I move along and show you the ingredient that I have. Thanks again for joining me. Let's get into it. So for the ingredients, I got some black pepper, some crushed pepper, some salt, I got some soy sauce, some all-purpose seasoning, some vegetable oil, and I got some mixed vegetable, 2 eggs, got some onion and some garlic. I also got 3 chicken breasts I'm gonna use. So guys, tune in. And some cooked white rice. Now we're gonna move on to cutting up the garlic. With my onion, I'm gonna make sure I dice up my onion. You don't want big chunks of onion in there. So, dice up that like so. Alright, so I have my onion diced up. Transfer my onion and garlic. That's my garlic and my onion. Now I'm moving on to my chicken breast. I want to cut them stir fry style. These are what I'm gonna use, so I'm cutting them stir fry style. Alright, so when the pot starts to gain some heat, I'm gonna put some of my vegetable oil. Make that get heated. So the oil is hot enough. So what you want to do is just stir this around so it don't stuck to the bottom of the pot. Drop my onion and my garlic in there. So they can get to it. Mix everything in one now. Then, so after all that's in there, I'm putting my vegetables. Use all of that. Stir it. Anything burnt, you know? Looking awesome already and the rice is not in there yet. Keep that stirring, you know. Everything go around and burn in one order. So, what you gonna do now? So when things looking like that now, I'm gonna add my black pepper, my salt, a little bit of crushed pepper, my all-purpose seasoning. The only thing didn't go in there yet is the soy sauce because I want that to go on the rice too. Things looking like that, so I'm gonna give it like 5 to 6 minutes and then I add the rice. Check up on the pot. Looking wonderful. Alright, so I make this stay in there for 6 minutes. Then I'm gonna add my rice. So I have my rice cooked already, so I'm gonna add my rice. Here we go. Alright, so I'm adding the rice. Get my rice blending now with the chicken and the vegetable, and then I add the soy sauce. Now I'm gonna add just about a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Here we go, chicken fried rice coming along. Don't want any more soy sauce, the right amount. I'm gonna turn down the stove. So I'm gonna turn down the stove real low and then give it like about 10 minutes. Let's see what's going on in my pot. Wow. Looking wonderful. I think this is it, you know. I think this is it. Looking wonderful. Alright, that is it. Beautiful and wonderful. Then I'm just going chicken fried rice. Share out some and make it taste some now. Yes, my beautiful people, say don't know. Fried rice and chicken finish. So let's check it out. What do you think? How you look? What do you think about how you look? Tastes good too. Wow, this is wonderful. Nothing like a little fried rice, whether chicken, shrimp. Some people do it with beef. But I must say, and this is easy to try at home. A little bit of leftover rice, some vegetable. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me on this one. I gotta go now because I gotta go finish this. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, sharing, subscribing to my channel. More awesome video like this coming. As for now, I'm out.